In this ukulele video, we're going to go over the next practice tip, which is the importance and how to play bar chords. All right, welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter, and thanks for being here. In this video and in this little series we're doing on some practice tips that I can give you to make you be the great ukulele player that I know that you can be. But anyway, if you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification, and you'll stay updated on all of these videos, reviews, also not only ukulele, but baritone and guitarlele as well. All right, so we have a whole series of these. You can go, we have a playlist for all of these practice tips. They're really fantastic. This one's gonna be on bar chords, okay? And why it's so important to play bar chords. Yeah, you can get away with a lot of stuff with the open position chords. As a matter of fact, most of the ukulele world is geared towards showing you the open position chords and making sure you can play songs in open position, but you're gonna need to break away to the bar chords in order to really expand your playing and expand the sound, especially if you want to start getting into different styles of songs besides just some simple 3 or 4 chord songs, right? So we got to get the bar chords down. Don't let them scare you. They may take a little bit of time to get them. That's normal. That's normal. Don't worry about that. But you got to continue to work on them, continue to get better at them. I know that some people have arthritis and hand problems. Yes, I know that is an issue. How can you solve that? Well, you can't really solve that, but you can help by checking your action of your strings, maybe going to a little bit of a lower tension string as well. So the lower the strings are, the little bit of a lighter string is going to help you so you don't have to press down so hard. All right, so, but if you want to do like, any kind of stuff, jazz, stuff like that, you got to get these down. Now, I'm going to give you a couple tips here, a couple tricks. First of all, do not choke the heck out of this ukulele neck. A lot of us, when we start doing these bar chords, we want to put so much tension and stress on the thumb here because we feel like we have to press down. No, you do have to have some pressure, but first of all, just relax. You got to relax this hand right here. Again, if you're pressing down that hard, maybe, like I said, your action is a little bit too high, or maybe you have the wrong strings on. All right, so there's one thing. Just relax a little bit. You can still get a lot of pressure on your fingers without having to kill this thumb. Now, a couple things here of you can practice this. I do it one way, and then some good friends of mine, Craig and Sarah, showed me another way, but one way you can do a bar chord, let's just take the C bar chord right here, is what I like to do is work its way up from the first string. First string, get that string nice and clear before you add the second string. Make sure they're both ringing out clear. If you're getting any kind of thud, right, it means you're not pressing down hard enough, or maybe you're on top of the fret. Okay, either one of those positions, or a finger could be drooping down and touching it. Now, as we add this finger, second finger, that could, if that droops down a little bit, that could hit that second string and cause it to buzz. So you want to get first string, second string, and then add that third string. Can you get all 3 of them nice and clear, and then add that fourth string? Now, in order to do this, you may have to rotate your hand a little bit. You may have to move your elbow out around a little bit, okay? You have to find what works for you. What works for me may be a little bit different. You may just have to have a slightly different hand position or roll your fingers around to do that. Now, Craig and Sarah, when they were on one of my Q&As, and by the way, like if you really like this kind of stuff and want to learn more, check out ukelikethepros.com. We have tons of courses and memberships available to you. But anyway, they were on this Q&A that we do for my premium members, and Craig was doing this actually. He was talking about starting on the lower strings actually, getting that nice and clear, then adding the next one. And again, this will help if your finger's drooping a little bit. Get those clear and then add the other strings. So either way is fine. Try what works best for you, but you got to get the bar chords down because you're going to be seeing so many of these different bar chords that are going to come up in the songs, and it's really going to expand your horizon. So don't be afraid of them. Get them down. You can do it. It may take some time, and that's all right. We're not in a hurry here. This is music. We're going to be playing music for the rest of our lives, and I'm going to be helping you with that. So anyway, that's a couple practice tips and the importance on the bar chords. Thanks for being here. Don't forget to check out ukelikethepros.com for all the courses and memberships I have up there, and we'll see you in the next one.